Welcome to my YouTube channel, Law Jurist Dr. Pramod Wagmare. Friends, now today I would talk on a very important topic, that is the natural resources. Now, you all are aware that in the world there are different types of natural resources. Say, for example, forest is one of the resource, dams and energy. These are the three important resources where every person must take care of these resources. Coming to the first one, that is natural resources. Now, forest is an important aspect which every person needs to understand. Say, for example, when you talk about the forest, you will have different types of uh, covers which are available in India. Say, for example, in the British period, there was large amount of forest, but that type of forest is not present now. At the time of independence, there was large amount of forest. There was large amount of forest which was covered in entire area. But now that forest has been reduced to a very lot, and therefore that is one of the tensions which we are facing today nowadays. So, for example, when we decrease the forest, when we decrease the forest, then it will also have a direct impact on the particularly the water, the plants, the animals, the economic growth, and the clean air. So these all things we are facing today. Now, when we are facing today these all problems, naturally we have to find out the way. Say, for example, in present scenario, there is a large amount of deforestation. When you talk about deforestation, we have different aspects. Say, for example, this deforestation is due to agriculture, growth of commercial logging, the growth of crop economy. So these all factors are responsible for the deforestation. At the same time, there are different aspects also regarding the various effects of deforestation. Now, when we talk about deforestation, the first loss which can say is that the work of the persons is reduced. Okay, the loss of quality land is also reduced, because wherever there is deforestation, the land will become barren, unfertile, and therefore that will also have more type of loss. Say, for example, ecotourism. In ecotourism also, there will also have a ample destruction, because ecotourism is having a great impact regarding creation of money, but that is also not taken care. At the same time, there will be large number of soil erosion and landslides. So landslides is very very important. Just now, in one of the Brazil, you find that a complete rock has been felt in the river, and in that particular 7 to 8 persons died, and that was also a great loss to the tourism industry. So this is also one of the changes in the environment, because we are not taking the ample care. Say, for example, next point today I want to explain that dam. Now, what is the purpose of dam? The purpose of a dam is that you must have ample water which is accumulated, and that water can be used for different resources, different points, and therefore this we have to keep in mind, that wherever water is there, there will be good type of energy, there will be good type of people living there, because whenever the civilization is growing, it is growing around the water. We have a great history regarding the river Sindhu, wherein all types of civilizations were developed. So this is also one of the important things, that dams should be having a good type of care. Say, for example, now I am coming to second part of my lecture, that is the energy resources. So there are different types of energy resources which we have to understand. Say, for example, wind power is one of the important energy. Wave powers, that is also one of the important energy. Solar power, that is another energy, and hydropower. These are the various energies which we have to take care of. Say, for example, wind energy, because because there is lots of wind which is flowing in the environment, but we are not conserving that wind power into electrical energy. Say for example, wave power in the sea, there are different ships which are going on from one place to another, where there is a large amount of generation of wave power, but that also we are not converting or not conserving it. Say for example, solar power. Solar power there, because once you start a solar, then there will be lesser burden on the electrical energy, but that is also not taken into consideration by many people, and therefore we face many problems. So again, it is very important that something you have to do for the nation. Say for example, importance of the particular energy, how to save that energy, or by what way you can save the energy. Say for example, there are several tips where the energy can be saved. First, for example, whenever you are turning the lights off and on, you have to take care that whenever the light is necessary, then and then only you should put it on. Otherwise, you can have to off it. Say for example, the windows are also one of the good type of thing. Whenever necessary, you must open the window. Don't go for fans. Don't go for generators. Don't go for converters. So this will also have a direct impact on the environment. Then whatever energy, whatever water we are needed, that much only we have to use it. Don't use excess water. Say for example, when bathing also, a general person requires only 2 buckets of water. But when we start a shower, we don't know that at a time we are wasting 10 to 15 buckets of water. So that also you can save. Say for example, on and off of the electric appliances. There are different appliances. Say for example, freezers, greasers, then fridge, and the various other appliances which we need in day-to-day life. But that also we are not taking care, and that's all we are decreasing the energy. Say for example, in every house there is a geyser, so that geyser has to be also used at some particular level, so whenever hot water is required, then only use the geyser. Otherwise, shut down the geyser. That also will save the energy. So by doing these all small steps, you can save energy, you can conserve energy, and therefore you can have a good type of storage of good energy, good electrical energy. Okay, with this for short points, I would conclude my lecture regarding the resources. So my last point I want to today highlight is that every person must save forest, every person must save energy, and every person must save the environment. These all are prime factors for every person. Therefore, thank you friends for patience hearing, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Law Jurist Dr. Pramod Wagmare. Thank you one and all.